image Platinum Series first person view streaming drone. On the other side you can see that there is a camera right there. So I'm pretty sure that is the camera that's going to be flying in the air.
Okay,
that's
but
what we're gonna see.
more importantly,
Yes, most importantly actually, these
I'm going
VR
to show you.
drones. Like there we go. Okay, wow. So right now,
And we can just open the front of this and we place it in here.
like that. Close it up like that.
Yeah, basically. And then, yeah, see, it's all put together, and then what we have to do is strap it on. Oh, Rick, I can see it. All right, 3, 2, 1. Yes!
Yeah, there we go. We got some footage. Okay, maybe it's going no too far.
Hello friends, I'm Amrita.
And I'm Akash.
And we have here a brand new drone.
Yes, it is a Shorter Image Platinum Series first person view streaming drone. Like, that's amazing. First person view. This is cool.
Yeah, we got it as a gift from our friends in Austin. So like, that's awesome. Thank you. So
Yeah, we're very grateful to them for gifting us with this wonderful drone, which is not just any drone, it's a VR drone. VR means virtual reality, and this means that you'll have a little headset, which they actually already have put in. Yeah, you can see the little demo of it. And basically, you get to see like you're on the drone. The video, it comes right here and it looks like you're seeing what the drone is seeing, and it's beautiful.
yeah, I can't wait to like fly this, you know, in our backyard.
Yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. But before we do that, let's first unbox this thing.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, let's do
Nice.
this.
Let's go. Alright. Oh, well that was actually really easy, wasn't it? Yeah. Ah, there we go. Alright, let's get all of this out. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Ah. Take a look at that.
Two.
Look, it comes. Look at this. It comes with a controller. Take a look at it. Here's the actual drone, and there's also this special little box here. I wonder what's in.
I'm gonna open this.
Yes, I wonder what's inside that. All right. And whoa, whoa! Look
Okay.
at that. I wonder what's in here. It's a box inside the box.
What?
Oh,
Okay, so these obviously look like extra stuff.
extra little accessories.
But look, look.
Oh, I see now. This is where you insert your phone in.
Oh.
Let me
And then
see
you
here.
like put it on this.
Yeah. No, wait. Hold on. Like, let me try and get it out here. There we go. Oops. All right. There we go. This right here is the little
like
gimbal of sorts that you put your phone on, and this thing
Sort of
goes. No, I think it goes on the drone. Doesn't
no.
it?
Why would you need it on the drone?
To have the.
This is the camera.
Yeah, because there is
You would put it
on
on
the
here.
other side. You can see that there is a camera right there. So I'm pretty sure that is the camera that's going to be flying in the air.
Okay,
That's
but
what we're gonna see.
more importantly,
Yes, most importantly, actually, what this is an actual VR headset. Let's take a look at this. It looks really neat, and what you can do is do
actually,
the
you would like
There we
put,
go.
Your phone or whatever in here.
Yeah, put
and
your
you would
phone
have
there.
like an app on it where if you look at it through this, like
these
I'm going
VR
to show you.
drones. Like
like
there we
this.
go.
And then you would be able to see it in like 360 view.
Yeah, so basically it's let's try and say I want to see what's in here. Okay, wow. So right now I can't really see much, but that's obviously because this right here we haven't put any phone into this. So what's going to happen is once we do put the phone in and the phone is displaying what this camera on the drone is seeing, so that way when we look at it, it looks like it's like first person. You're seeing what the drone is seeing, and the views that I've seen, they look spectacular. The whole views. And regardless, I mean, who doesn't want to fly a drone? It's gonna be so much fun. Take a look at this. I simply cannot wait to fly this Sharper Image Platinum Series first person view drone, streaming drone. This is amazing. Sincerely cannot wait to fly this. So, are you ready?
Yeah!
Nice, all right. Let's go straight to the video. We're going to show you how awesome it is to fly this drone out in our backyard. Let's go.
Yeah, go. Okay, so right now we are almost ready to start flying. All we have to do is just turn these on, and we can also put we also have the phone so that we can put the VR, we can do the VR headset thing. And that's awesome. I think right now that what we should do is just turn these on.
Yeah.
So like, all you have to do is,
Take a look.
just do this. And then look, the lights were flashing. See how they're flashing?
Yes.
And then what we have to do here, we also have to turn it on here, right?
So
These
what
also
we
got
have to do is on this controller, we just have to turn this button on.
And you can see how it does that. But
Yes.
that's not the only thing we have to do. See how it's like flashing still?
Yes.
So what we have to do is we have to move this thing a little up and then down. And then now it stopped flashing, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now it's ready to pair. Okay, so this is the phone, right? And what we have to do is we have to click on this app here that we downloaded.
It's called 360L Flight.
Okay, and then what we have to do next, we have to click on this button, stream. And then after a while, see, we have the picture. And if we want to put it in the VR headset here, what we have to do is we have to click on this button, VR, and it splits into 2 images. And we can just open the front of this, and we place it in here.
Like that. Close it up like that.
Yeah, basically. And then, yeah, see, it's all put together, and then what we have to do is strap it on. And then I can like see this in 360. Whoa, I can see. Okay.
Look at that. See?
Okay, Akash.
Yes.
Can you like make it? Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Oh, great! I can see
All right, let's do a test run.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Wait, are you recording?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
Down. Yeah, good. Down.
Down. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down.
Perfect. Down. That's it.
Yes. All right. Yeah. Oh. Move back. Yeah. There we go. We got some footage. Okay. Maybe it's going no too far. Push it back.
Other way. Wow. Good.
You know what? Just drop it.
Wow.
Wow, that was so much fun.
Exactly. It was awesome.
It's so thrilling. You know, flying
Definitely.
that drone up into the skies. I surely believe that the drone is the next generation.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, soon everyone's new toys aren't going to be your normal toys like what playing with a basketball or whatnot. No, it's gonna be the next generation. Drones!
Yeah, exactly.
Drones are the next generation. And that was so much fun. I had so much fun. How about you?
I had an awesome time, to be honest.
Yeah, it was so much fun. Thank you all so much for watching this video about the drone. Yeah, love you so much, Akash
And Amrita.